In this video, I am going to show you how to knit a broken rib. Basically, what you're doing for a broken rib is you're knitting one and purling one like you would normally do a knit one, purl one rib. But in the next row, you're going to just knit that row. And then in the next one, you'll knit one, purl one, and again, you'll knit the next row. And if you're doing a scarf, the best way I feel is when you turn it around, you would knit one, purl one on the back, and that way when you flip it over, you can knit it. Because if you knit one, purl one on the front, and then you go to knit the back, you're going to have to do all purls, which is fine if you like that. I prefer knitting. This version here is a knit 2, purl 2. So you can see how I've knit 2 and then purl 2, and then same thing, knit a row across, and then just repeat it until you start seeing the way the fabric looks as a broken rib. This is a 1x1, the normal 1x1. It's beautiful as well as the broken rib, but the broken rib just gives you a little bit of variety, a little bit of a look to it. And then this is the 2x2, the regular 2x2 rib. It's not broken rib like this one. And you have the 2x2. Here's an example of the double broken rib. This is one of my patterns called the KG Beanie. The link will be below in the description. And that is how you would do a broken rib. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links to the items I used are in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.